I will never see cultural heritage the same way after experiencing Santa Emilia. Nestled in the heart of Galicia in Spain, Santa Emilia is not just a palacete, it is a timeless voyage. This colonial masterpiece has been lovingly restored to blend historical charm with modern comfort, offering a truly unique stay. Each room, a canvas of elegance, tells its own story, meticulously preserved to reflect the grandeur of its era. With monthly classical music concerts and rotating art exhibitions, Santa Emilia is a living, breathing testament to cultural vibrancy. Imagine waking up surrounded by centuries of history and stepping into a world where art and music converge to create an unparalleled cultural experience. Whether you are a history enthusiast, an art lover, or simply seeking a serene escape, Santa Emilia welcomes you. Come, be a part of a heritage that continues to inspire and enchant. Experience Santa Emilia, where history and elegance reside.